Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, we are going to discuss there are some actions relevant to WhatsApp Cloud API. So the actions we have like block a contact or unblock a contact, get a list of blocked contacts, and also if we wanna send data to Meta Conversion API, right? In order to send data to Meta Conversion API, you have to enter the access token and also dataset ID. So go to integrations, scroll down, go to Meta Conversion API and enter the access token and dataset ID. We already have a detailed video about the connection of Meta Conversation API. You can also watch it. Now, to use these actions inside the flow builder, open the board, go to subflow, open a subflow, and here we have go to action node, advanced actions, and here we have WhatsApp API. So inside the WhatsApp API, we have different actions like block a contact, unblock a contact, get blocked contacts, and also send event to Meta Conversion API. So now we will go one by one. First, if we do a block a contact, and you have to enter the number. By default, here is the system field we have. If we do a test request, and here we can see there is an error. So error is re-engagement check field. So it means that there is a condition while blocking a contact. So the number that we are going to block, it needs to be inside the 24 hours. If this number is not inside 24 hours, then we are unable to block this contact. Is the same limit we have, we are unable to send regular messages to a person who is outside 24 hours. The same, we are unable to block a person who is outside of 24 hours, right? So here, let's move to WhatsApp. I'm sending a message, hi. And now this message is read it and agent is typing the message and we get the response, right? So now we go back here and now go to live chat and copy this phone number we have. Now go to flow builder again and put up this number and then do a test request. So now this number is blocked. Okay, you can see block users, added users. So this user is added as a blocked contact. Now, if we go to get blocked contact list, so here we can select the limit and do a test request. Here we can see all the blocked contacts. Okay, so now let's move to WhatsApp again and send a message like, how are you? And here we can see there is a single tick. It means that this contact is blocked. Now we need to unblock this number. So enter the number here and test a request. And here this number is unblocked. Okay. Now we need to move back again and send a message. Hey, how are you? And now you can see double tick, read it, and agent is typing. So this way we can block and unblock a contact easily through the actions that we have inside the flow builder. And we have the last action here about the send data to Meta Conversion API. In order to send data, first we have to enter the page ID. Second, we have to enter the CTAW, that is along with the payload we received when user is coming from WhatsApp ad. And here you can enter the data set ID by default, the one that is connected, and you can also change it here. You can here select the event and enter the details or custom data you want and then do a test request. So this way you can send data to Meta Conversion API. That's all for today. If you have any questions, you can ask in comments. See you. Bye.